We'll guide you through how to download videos using YouTube Premium. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's really convenient to be able to go and download YouTube videos, so we're going to guide you through how it's done with YouTube Premium. So first of all, you need to go and have Premium. YouTube Premium is a subscription to YouTube that you have to go and pay for. You're going to know that you've got it because in the top left, it will go and say Premium. You can go and press on your profile icon in the top right, sign in if you aren't already, and you can go down and you can see I've got premium benefits here. So now what we then need to do is we need to go and find a video we want to go and download. So I could press search at the top and I'm going to go and type in GuideRealm. So we could go and find this channel here, for example. Then what we can do is we can come down beneath the video. You need to come over to the right and go and find the three dots here, and you want to go and click. And you can go and see we've then got the option for download. You can click there. Now it's going to go and say downloading, and it's downloaded. Didn't take long there at all. Now, you're probably wondering, how can I go and find these videos? Well, what you can do is you just come to youtube.com. So if you haven't got an internet connection, that's fine. Let's say you're traveling and you want to go and watch this video, just come to youtube.com. I'll click the icon in the top left, press the three lines in the top left, and come down into you, and you want to find the option for downloads. And in here, you're going to go and find the videos you've got and downloaded. You can see I've got one here, and then what you can do is you can go and click on it, and you can watch it. It says downloads remain available as long as your device has an active internet connection at least once every 30 days.